Hello viewers, this is it. As you can see, this is a dead this is it. As you can see, ZTE Wi-Fi. This is it. As you can see, this is it. As you can see, MF927U. This is a dead one. It cannot
This
on.
is it. As you can see,
or
this is it. As you can
the
see,
solution I'm going to give
this is it.
now,
as you can
right
see,
now, is a solution that can fix
this is it. As you can
a
see,
dead Wi-Fi like this.
this is it.
Or
as you
a
can
Wi-Fi
see,
that always shows red lights when you on it. It will blinking only red
this is
lights
it. As
here.
you can see,
Red lights only here.
this is it.
Blinking
As you can
only
see,
red lights cannot on.
this
These
is it.
lights
As you can see,
cannot on as well. The solution I'm going to give now, or what I'm going to demonstrate right now, is going to fix it 100%, and it's going to unlock this device. It's going to make it to be working universal. It's going to make it to be working universal. It's going to fix it. Follow me, let's go. Okay, right now this is what we are going to do. If you have a device like this that is dead, all you need to do is disassemble it, lose it, open it, remove the body or the case, so it will appear like this. Then we are going to troubleshoot it like a kind of short boot. So right now, this is the boot here. This is the boot here. This is the boot here. So we are going to boot it. Hold on. Once I hold it, then connect it to the system. Connect to the system. Connect it to the system. Hold on. It's connecting. Okay. Let me check. Okay, it's connected. Okay, now let's confirm if this device has been really unlocked or not. Like I said, it's going to unlock it to universal. But remember, originally this device is an MTN device. Originally is an MTN device. Okay, let's go to the screen. Let's check. Let's close this thing. Close. Okay, let's clear the screen. Let's open our browser here. Okay, it is connected direct to the system. Let's check here and see if it's showing. Okay, look at it here. This is it. Because it has been unlocked to universal, that was why the name has changed. Then let's just log in. Let's open our browser. Okay, look at it here. You can type the IP address, which is 192.168.8.1. Hit enter. Okay, can you see the interface? It's no longer the MTN interface that it is used to be before. So yeah, let me change the language. The language is to English. Now the password here is admin. It's still admin. Admin. Small letter throughout. Login. Can you see? Nothing has been changed. The IME is still intact. The IME is still intact. Everything is intact. So now once you put your SIM card, everything will work. All SIM will work. Look at the password. Look at the password here. Look at the name. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.